Hi, I'm Jeanette Laffan and I'm here with the lovely Krystal from Property Stylists of Melbourne, just to give you some tips on how to prepare your home if you're thinking of putting it on the market. So Krystal, a lot of our vendors don't have a huge budget to prepare their property for sale. For those that are on a fairly tight budget, what are some things that they can do that are quite effective without spending a fortune?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, a lot of people are on really tight budgets when it comes to styling properties, and that's absolutely fine. As you know, with some of your clients previously, I've done just a styling consult. I basically come in and spend about an hour in your home, and then I actually provide a detailed report. So that's something that's very cost effective and can absolutely make the world of difference. Sometimes, it can just be about the furniture placement, about, the knickknacks and bits and pieces that you've got in your home. It's just about simplifying those and creating a really nice flow through the whole entire home. So I will actually give you a room by room breakdown of what I suggest to be done. And if I think there's just, a couple of cushions, a couple of bits and pieces to add, I'll even send you some suggestions. So often when it comes to those sort of homes, hiring isn't necessary. It's amazing what you can do just with the right advice. Obviously, I'm doing up properties that are going on the market every single day, so I know how to best showcase each room in your home and make sure that you get really good photos, which is the main thing.
And our clients that have had the consult with you have found it quite beneficial in that when it comes to their open homes, they've got a really clear plan of how to prepare each room.
Yeah.
And often it's just been updating soft furnishings, like if the cushions and the throws on the couches that have really just lifted the room.
That's right. Yeah, it does make the world of difference. And I think people feel a lot more confident as well. It's having those fresh pair of eyes come through and see things that you wouldn't necessarily see. As you know, we all live with little nicks on the walls, and it's not until you're preparing your home for sale that you all of a sudden see all of these things that you didn't notice before.
Yeah.
But because you're constantly cleaning and doing all of that sort of thing. So it is just having that fresh pair of eyes that comes in, looks at everything as a whole, and really, it's just about helping instill that confidence in you, because when you're looking at the same space over and over, you can overthink it as well. So just having someone say, yes, this is how it needs to be done, and get you organised, give you your to-do list. I think the to-do list, people find the best.
Yeah, I think that too.
Yeah, because, once they can sort of check things off and see the difference, and I get them to work in each space at a time, so one room at a time, and that makes the world of difference because you actually feel like there's light at the end of the tunnel as well.
I think it stops them feeling overwhelmed with the process.
Yeah, because it is very overwhelming. It's a lot.
Agreed. Yes.